fact, we have a copy of the threat email as well. We've accessed the copy of the threat email. Aditi will get us more details on that as well. And Priyank is joining us with updates on what the officials are saying. Priyank, we've accessed copy of the threat email. The schools were threatened. There was a bomb scare, and accordingly they've informed the parents. But what are the cops saying about who's behind it? Have they been able to trace back these emails to the senders? What's happening?
See, the IFSO unit of Delhi Police, Swati, has been informed regarding this particular threat mail, which the origin is need to be found. For which the Delhi Police will be sending an email to the service provider to provide detail. So far, what we can look at the email copy, the email has originated from swaram@mail.ru. So that is the email ID which sent this email early in morning around 5:36 to various schools. And the interesting thing which can be looked by the police is that the email was sent to multiple schools like Delhi Public School, Dwarka, Sanskrit School, and everything has been sent in the form of BCC and CC, which means these emails have been marked to multiple schools to create panic.
All right, Priyank, stay on with us. The motive is to create panic, like you said. I have Akanksha joining us from Mother Mary School. Akanksha, if possible, please speak to the parents and tell us what's happening there.
Well, absolutely. Multiple schools here in the national capital received this bomb threat. I'm currently outside Mother Mary School in Mayur Vihar, which is in East Delhi. And what we're getting to know is that parents got a call and messages from the school at 8 o'clock in the morning that they should take away their children as the school has received a bomb threat. We are joined by few parents here. आपको कितने बजे call, mail, messages आए हैं स्कूल की तरफ से और यहाँ पे क्या सिचुएशन था? Understandably काफी यहाँ पैनिक हो गया.
मतलब 7:30 बजे के आसपास समथिंग मैसेज आया है, तो हम लोगों ने जब तक आए तब तक यहाँ काफी भीड़ भाड़ थी. मतलब और लोग बस जो मतलब बाइक से थे या कुछ थे, बच्चे हमारे और भी स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, हम पहले उनको छोड़ने के लिए गए, तो वापस आए तो मतलब मैसेज आया, तो फिर घर से वापस आए, तब तक भीड़ भाड़ बहुत ज्यादा थी.
तो क्या एग्जैक्टली मैसेज में क्या लिखा था?
मैसेज में कुछ नहीं, बस इमरजेंसी है कि अपने बच्चों को ले जाइए, कुछ इमरजेंसी आ गई है, तो इतना ही लिखा है और कुछ नहीं लिखा. तो हम लोग डर के फिर दोबारा से देखने के लिए आए कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं है. तुम लोग मतलब डर तो है ही ना.
तो यहाँ काफी कुछ पैनिक होगा, काफी पेरेंट्स आ गए होंगे. कितने बजे की बात है ये?
7:10 7:30 की बात है, लेकिन ये पूरा रोड जाम हो गया था.
अच्छा.
बसें जाम हो गई थी, जो स्कूल की बसें थी वो पीछे जाम हो गई थी कि हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गए सब. इनके यहाँ इमरजेंसी में इन्होंने गेट लगा दिए और किसी को जब पूछा, बच्चों ने, स्कूल के छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने बताया कि हमको तो ये बताया गया कि यहाँ पे आग लग गई है, वो लग गई है, और फिर पेरेंट्स को बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे इमरजेंसी लग गई, इसलिए छुट्टी कर दी है.
अच्छा.
क्लियर डिसीजन किसी को नहीं बताया गया.
मैसेज में क्या लिखा था एग्जैक्टली?
मैसेज में जो भाई साहब ने बताया वही है.
So let me show you the visuals. Currently, the Delhi police team is inside the school, and also anti-bomb squad is also inside, and they are currently going through and making sure that there's currently nothing wrong. And you can also see this has been set up by the Delhi police, and as you also heard the parents, they're saying that around 7:38 they received calls, emails, and also messages from the school asking them to take away their children.
Absolutely, and the officials are saying they followed the procedure. The Delhi police is yet to trace the email back to the source, to the sender. Akanksha, Priyank, Sabyasachi and Aditi, thank you for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for updates. For the moment, a quick break.